Hello students, here we are going to do question number 7 of exercise 11.2, chapter 11 constructions. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle, take a point outside the circle, construct the pair of tangent from this point to the circle. Students, this question is also known as to draw a pair of tangent to a circle from an exterior point without using the center. Without using the center. अभी तक के जो क्वेश्चंस थे, in those questions we were using the center of the circle, but here in this question we can't use the center of the circle. That's why we are asked to draw the circle with the help of a bangle, or you can also draw a circle with the help of your compass, but we will not use the center of the circle. So here I am going to draw a circle with the help of bangle. So a circle is drawn. Now we have to take a point outside the circle. So here I am taking point P as exterior point. Now we have to draw two tangents to our given circle from the point P without using the center. अब जब सेंटर को यूज करते थे तो फर्स्ट स्टेप वाज टू ज्वाइन द सेंटर विद दिस एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट, बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव to ignore the center, we can't use that. So first of all what we have to do here, we have to draw a secant through point P, and secant is a line which intersects the circle at 2 points. Let it intersects the circle at point A and point B. Now next step for the question is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PA. So for this we have to take any radius, and taking P as center we have to mark two arcs, and with the same radius we have to mark two arcs by taking A as center such that they intersects the previous arcs like this. Now we will join these two arcs. So a point is obtained on PA. Let me mark it as O. Now we have to draw an angle of 90 degree at B. Like this, you can take the help of protractor to draw this angle. This angle is of 90 degree. Now taking O as center, we have to draw a semicircle which passes through the point A and P. For this you have to take O as center and OA as radius, and we have to draw a semicircle. It will pass through the point A and point P. Now you can see the angle drawn on B, that was of 90 degree, and this one circle intersect at the point C. Both intersect at C. Now taking PC as radius, P को सेंटर लेना है एंड C तक हमें कंपास को ओपन करना है, मीनिंग टेकिंग PC as radius we have to mark two arcs on our given circle. So this one is given circle and one arc this one and one is this one, and let us name these 2 points, or these 2 arcs intersect our circle at point Q. This is point Q and this one is point R. Let us join PQ and PR. So PQ and PR are required tangents to our given circle which are drawn without using the center of the circle.